In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlink accounts in GCash. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to tap so you can safely remove any connected bank, card, or partner service from your GCash app. First, open your GCash account on your mobile device. Give the app a moment to load and make sure you have a stable internet connection so everything refreshes properly. Once you're in, head to your profile. This is the section where your personal settings and app preferences live, and it's also where GCash keeps all the tools you need to manage connected services. Inside Profile, look for My Linked Accounts. This is the dedicated hub that shows every external account you've connected to GCash. It could be a bank, a payment partner, or another service you previously authorized. Opening this page helps you review what's currently linked and decide what you no longer need. You'll see a list of all your linked accounts. Take a moment to identify the specific one you want to remove. It's a good idea to consider what will change after unlinking. For example, if you disconnect a partner service you use for transfers or payments, any convenience features tied to that connection will stop working until you link it again. When you're ready, tap the exact account you want to unlink. This opens the details for that connection so you can double-check you're removing the right one. If everything looks correct, tap Proceed. The app will process your request and complete the unlinking. Give it a few seconds and you should see a confirmation that the account has been successfully removed from your linked list. Afterward, return to the My Linked Accounts page to verify that the account no longer appears. If it's gone, you're all set. If it still shows up, refresh the page and check again. Sometimes it helps to close and reopen the app so the changes fully sync. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Keep your GCash app updated so you always see the latest layout and options. Unlinking is reversible. If you change your mind later, you can link the account again from the same My Linked Accounts area. And if an unlink option seems unavailable, it may be because there's an ongoing process tied to that account. Wait for it to finish and try again. That's all it takes to clean up your GCash connections. Open your account, go to Profile, tap My Linked Accounts, choose the one you want to remove, and hit Proceed to finalize. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you streamline your GCash experience.